Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your FedEx Alpha account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in fedex.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official FedEx website, from which you can click on the sign up or login option at the top right corner. Now from the drop down menu, click on Administrative Tools and this will take you into the Alpha login page. Now within this page, just type in your user ID within the user ID box, or you can also enter your email address that you have set up while signing up. You can then type in your account password underneath within the password section and then click on the login button and you will be logged into your FedEx Alpha account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Your User ID or Password option underneath and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your FedEx Alpha account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.